I've heard rumors about an original 1920 Ford Model T sitting in this barn for 50 years, and today we're going to see if we can bring this black legend back to life. The owner agreed to let it go for just $50 because he wants to see it on the road again. That's a deal. So, let's get to work. Well, look at that. Still shines. Looks like the tire's completely rotted through. We'll need to find a new one that fits. $50, just like we agreed. Thank you, I appreciate it. All right, that's hooked in tight. Nice work, ready to roll. Pulling her out slow. Keep it steady. Looks good, keep coming. All right, hold it there. Beautiful. The winch is engaged and the Model T is slowly coming up. Easy, easy does it. Perfect, she's secure, ready for restoration. Well, here it is. Looks like we've got our work cut out for us. All right, easy does it. Just keep her slow and steady on the ramp. Almost there. Mind the tires. Good, we're down. Time to take a look at what we've got. The Model T's paint is completely flat. The top is torn. The radiator is tarnished green. These tires are dry rot. All right. That one's stuck. Let's see if we can persuade it. There we go, little nudge. Perfect, number 2 is off. All right, and here we are. This old brass radiator is finally coming off. See that grime underneath? That's what we need to clean up. All right, time to tackle the front fender. Woo. Look at this. Decades of history caked on here. All right, let's take a look at what's under here. And there we have it. The original skeleton. All right, time to tackle these running boards. The rust is pretty thick on these old bolts. This first one's always the hardest. There we go, it's moving, hear that? All right, this seat is heavy. Look at that tank. Original black paint, just as we suspected. All right, time to persuade this old girl. There we go, a clean break. All right, dashboard off. Let's see what we've got in here. Wiring looks original, definitely needs some work. All right, time to peel this brittle vinyl away and see what the skeleton's hiding. Careful cuts, keep it clean. Yep. Looks good, nice grain underneath. It's salvageable. All right, the bolts are out. Ready. Slow and steady, boys. That's it, beautiful. All right, that's it, it's off. You can really see the damage here. All right, just a little higher. All right, drip. Watch that drip. Perfect, we got it. The planetary transmission is detached from the engine of the 1920 Ford Model T, the mechanical components covered in decades of grime. All right, slowly does it. That's it. Got it? Okay, tracking it over now. Watch the cable, almost there. Together. Right there. Slow and steady. Clear.
All right, now we have some movement. Just need a bit more leverage. There we go, that's a good find.
All right, let's get this Model T axle separated. There we go, bit of a fight, but she's loose. Okay, that's the bolt. Let's see what we've got here. Yep, still black in there, good sign. All right, time to tackle these final brackets. There we go, just the bare steel frame now. This is it. Every single original part ready to come back to life. All right, time to tackle the brakes on this Model T. You can see all the rust and flaking paint here. There we go, that's the band brake removed, ready for restoration. All right, time to tackle this exhaust, and out comes the rust. Look at that condition. Quite a state, but nothing we can't fix. I'm Character A from SK Restoration. Let's take a look at the wear on this Ford Model T front axle. See the state of these kingpins? All right, gently now.
Yes.
And there it is.
Yes.
That paint hasn't seen the light of day in 100 years. All right, here it is, the heart of our 1920 Model T restoration. Just the bare bones, ready for the next phase. Look at that original black paint. All right, time to blast this grime off and see what's underneath. All right, let's get this beauty cleaned up. All right, let's see what's underneath all this grime.
Yeah.
Just the right angle and pressure?
Yeah.
Perfect, the original paint and that beautiful rust. All right, let's hit this old Model T engine with some green cleaner. Watch this stuff work. Wow, that's dissolving it fast. Look at that shine underneath. All right, time to reveal what we're working with here. Now we can see the true condition, original black paint and all. All right, let's get this muck off. There it is, look at that shine. Beautiful. All right, time to tackle this tarnish. This solution should make short work of it. The wood of this Model T hasn't seen daylight in a century. Let's see what we find under here. Just need to take it slow and steady. The heart of it all. 90 years of grease. All right, that's looking a lot better now. The original paint is just shining through. You got to be patient with these old paints. Get all the moisture out, see what we're working with. She's got character. You can really see the difference a little elbow grease makes. Now, for the final touch on this beauty. All right, time to tackle this carburetor. It's a genuine 1920 Model T part. Just need to carefully disassemble these jets and fittings. The cleaning bath will make it shine like new. This is the original fuel tank from a 1920 Model T. We're flushing it out now. Look at that rust. All right, let's tackle this leaf spring. It's time to cut through decades of grime and reveal what's underneath.
The planetary transmission of the 1920 Ford Model T, thick with decades of oil. A few blasts break brake cleaner.
All right, time to tackle this axle. See how much of the original black we can find underneath this century of grime.
You know, under all that grime, there's a piece of history waiting to be seen. Just takes a little care.
With a bit of elbow grease and a damp cloth, we're revealing the original black paint and the intricate details of this 1920 Model T's patent plates. There we go, the last bit. Look at that shine.
Almost there. Another pass, and she'll be perfect.
After years of neglect, we're finally getting to these old Ford T hubcaps. Watch this, the logo is just starting to show through. A bit more elbow grease and it'll be shining like new.
Getting down to the original finish now. Looking good.
There we go. The original gloss returns. Just a bit more on this end. It's beautiful. All right, time to tackle the pedals. C, R, and B, control, reverse, and brake. Getting these clean is crucial for the restoration.
The heart of the Ford Model T, finally getting the attention it deserves.
This 4-blade cooling fan has years of grime, but with a bit of cleaner and a stiff brush, we can reveal the original factory black.
The Model T carrier shows heavy oxidation. With a wire brush, we'll strip away the rust to reveal the original black metal underneath. The difference is already clear. The Model T is washed. Every part is clean, ready for restoration. The original paint is dull, but we'll bring it back to life.
Welcome back to the shop. Today we're taking this 1920 Model T engine block into the sandblasting cabinet. Yeah. Just look at that gray cast iron emerging. All right, time for the valve seats. Keep the pressure steady. Just a perfect seal. See those sparks? That's the metal settling.
All right, let's get a reading on this main journal. Looks perfect. Right on tolerance.
The engine block of the 1920 Ford Model T needs a fresh coat of high-heat original black paint. First,
all right, time for the new pistons. Nice tight fit. All right, perfect fit, ready for the first start. All right, first bolt torqued. Next one, making sure it's perfect. Time to get this black paint off. This old girl's seen better days. Looks good, nice and smooth.
Connection. Now that the patch is secure, we'll apply a thin layer of body filler to smooth out the transmission is key to matching OT.
I'm laying down this epoxy primer to seal the steel and hide the last of the black paint. This is the foundation for a flawless finish. You just want to make sure you get all the edges here. Now look at that. That's a glass smooth finish.
All right, time for the final black base coat. One steady pass. Next, we'll apply the original black paint to the Model T body tub, ensuring a deep, lasting finish. Welcome to SK Restoration. These Model T fenders are receiving their final coats of high-gloss, original black paint. All right, let's get this 1920 Model T looking brand new with a fresh clear coat. And there you have it, perfection. Welcome back to the workshop. Today, we're taking this 1920 Model T ladder frame down to bare metal. Yes. Look at that rust. Ready to restore it to brand new? The heart of the build, the chassis. Freshly painted in an authentic satin black finish. Welcome back to SK Restoration. Today, we're bringing a 1920 Ford Model T wheel back to life. First, we sand and stain the wooden... All right, this is the last one. Just have to make sure it seats just right. Perfect, like new.
Course, certainly. All right, let's reassemble these 1920 Ford Model T leaf springs. First, a liberal coat of grease. All right, front axle's back on. Now for the hardware. Okay, keep it steady now. Little to the left, easy.
Got it.
Perfect, set it down. Nice work, team. All right, let's get you home.
All right.
Just a little further.
Perfect.
Perfect. Now for these connections, all right, the moment of truth. Let's get this perfectly in place. And there it is, fitted just right, beautiful. All right, so here's the Model T steering column. First, we clean and grease these internal gears. Look at that grease go on, smooth as butter. All right, new copper lines fitted specifically for this old girl. Now to run them to the carburetor. Perfect fit, just like new. The black rods and levers of the mechanical brake system are now installed and working smoothly, just like they did back in 1920. All right, just needs a little adjustment here. Perfect, the pipe is secure. All right, let's install this brand new cloth wiring harness on the Model T. We're gonna run it to the magneto, the lights, and the coil box.
After careful preparation, the headlight buckets are painted in original black. We've reassembled them with polished brass rings and new bulbs for this 1920 Ford Model T.
The Ahuga horn is complete. Let's see if she works. Ahuga. Perfect. Fits right into its home on the Model T. All right, perfect. Let's snug this one down. Got it, nice and tight. All right, let's get this belt seated properly.
All right.
Just need to check the tension one last time.
Yeah.
Perfect, ready for another 100 years.
And that's the first fill. She's ready to run.
Keep it steady, just a little more. All right, got it. Setting the first bolt.
The firewall is now complete. The original black metal bolted firmly into place. Just look at these new patent plates.
All right, now for the perfect fit. There we go.
Beautiful.
Beautiful, absolutely beautiful. All right, let's get this mounted. It's got to be perfect. And now for the bolts. Tight and secure. There, ready to drive.
The three-pedal assembly is connected to the transmission through the floor of the 1920 Ford Model T. All components painted original black.
All right, time to install these new floorboards on the Ford Model T, making sure they pop against the original black sills. Watch this.
The seat frame is repaired, repainted original black, and ready for new upholstery.
All right, time to install the seat. We've got this beautiful upholstered bench. Gonna slide it right in here.
Yeah.
Perfect fit. That luxury feel contrasts nicely with the old steel, doesn't it? All right, fit it right into place. Just gotta tighten these down. Perfect. Another fender in. All right, let's get this perfectly aligned. Tighten this bolt securely.
Perfect.
Perfect. Feels solid. Another one done. All right. Hinges connected. That fits like a glove. All right, nice and slow. She's got to fit perfect, yeah?
Looking good.
Yeah, that's the spot. Now, just a gentle tap to seat it. Perfect.
For French art.
All right, here we have the 1920 Ford Model T.
Yeah.
The wooden roof skeleton is securely bolted. All right, time to secure this brand new black vinyl soft top onto the Model T.
Yeah.
Look at that perfect fit, complete. All right, let's get this mounted solid. And now for the connection, nice and tight. This is the finishing touch. Looks perfect.
And just like that, the new kerosene tail lamp is perfectly installed on the fender. After months of hard work, the 1920 Ford Model T is finally finished. Every detail.
Perfect, just like it rolled off the line. This is the pride of SK Restoration. All right, time to wake this old girl up. Let's see if she's ready to go.
All right, come on, just one more time. Yes, there we go. After months of hard work, she's finally ready. Let's see how she handles the road.
I've poured countless hours into bringing this 1920 Ford Model T back to life. Every piece, every detail. Still runs like a dream after all these years.
After a proper test drive, the old Ford is back home. Every nut and bolt is just right. This $50 barn find is now a piece of history again, so make sure to subscribe and hit the bell for more classic restorations.
Thanks for joining us on this journey. I'll see you in the next one when we find our next project.